Hey crochet friends, it's me, Erin from Juniper Oakes, and if you know anything about me, you know I love to host crochet-alongs. And I'm so excited to introduce you to the new crochet-along for summer 2024. It is called Mosaic in a Month, and it is this beautiful overlay mosaic blanket. I made it in rainbow colors to kind of highlight each different section. Now this is a collaborative crochet-along, meaning that I collaborated with 10 other designers to bring you this blanket. We each designed our own section, and we're releasing it to you for free on our websites. My big idea was different geometric patterns. So we each design our own section with a geometric theme. This blanket was designed using overlay mosaic crochet technique. If you don't know anything about this technique, it's very simple. I have tutorials on it, and I'm going to do a tutorial on this first section to get us started. Essentially, overlay mosaic crochet is like one of the easiest color work that you can do besides just simple stripes, because basically what this is glorified stripes. Okay, this is the back side. You can see it's stripes. That means we're only using one color at a time. You start using one color and you work your row, and then you fasten off, and then you start back again where you started, crochet across with a new color all the way across, fasten off, then go back to your first color again. So we work color A, color B, color A, color B. In order to get this fun design, so it's not just stripes, on your regular stitches, you work a back loop only single crochet. And in order to hide the color you don't want to see, you do a double crochet in the front loop 2 rows below. That's just a basic overview, but follow my tutorials for more information. I promise you it's easy. I think the hardest part about it is just thinking I can do it, saying you can, and just giving it a try. So this mosaic blanket is for you. It is beginner friendly, or I actually say it's for adventurous beginners, right? Because you gotta believe in yourself a little bit. All you need to know is know how to chain, how to single crochet, and how to double crochet. You got this. I believe in you. At the very end, we create what's called an envelope border. Because remember how I said you start at the beginning, go all the way to the end, fasten off, start at the beginning. Okay, so that's a lot of ends on the side. In order to hide those ends, we do what's called an envelope border. So basically 2 borders that we seam together. And I've created a very simple envelope border for you here, just changing colors throughout. So that'll be the last section. So how's it going to work? Every Monday, Wednesday, Friday in the month of June 2024, a different section will become available. Starting June 3rd, this triangle section designed by me will be released for free on my website. Then on Wednesday, this pattern, Friday, this pattern, Monday, that pattern, Wednesday, okay? And then I think it's the last Friday of the month, the border section will be released. If you can crochet with us that fast, you'll have your blanket done by the end of June. I will say it is pretty fast paced, so if you can't keep up, don't worry about it. This pattern will be available for free on our websites bit by bit, but if you want to buy the pattern right away, have all of the sections easily printable, no ads, none of that nonsense, no waiting for the next section, and then you don't have to worry about missing anything. You're also able to print just the charts if you want to. You're able to print just the written instructions if that's what you prefer. There's also ad-free mosaic tutorials that I have included in my membership site that you'll have access to. Don't let the price of the pattern book stop you from joining the crochet along, because like I said, the patterns are free on our websites. We wanted to make this cal accessible to everyone all around the world. So no matter which version of the crochet along you choose, I hope that you crochet along with us. If you get behind, can't join us every Monday, Wednesday, Friday for the new section release, don't worry. The section should be free on the designer's website forever. Just catch up when you can. If you're watching this and it's like June 2025 or it's way past the time of the cal, don't worry, the section should still be available forever. And you can always buy the ebook so you have your hands on everything right away. No problem. I want to shout out to all of the designers of this blanket. Let's see if I can do this without any notes. So this is me, Erin from Juniper Oakes. This is Croft Crochet. This is Remington Lane Crochet. We have, oh, how do you say this? It's Dawn Spence from Amarusco Crochet. Simply Melanie Jane, Stardust Gold Crochet. This is Beba Blanket. High Desert Yarn, Made by Goody. Cindy's Crochet Designs, and Elamy Designs. Hooray! I loved all the designers who are participating in this. I think they're phenomenal, and I hope that as you go to their section of the blanket, you go around their website a little bit, see what kind of things that they design, what do they specialize in, and just get to know those designers really well. They are phenomenal. Do any of the names of these designers sound familiar to you? Let me know in the comments, and also tell me which of these ones are you most excited to crochet? Which is your favorite? I would love to know. So what kind of yarn are we using? Let me tell you. I chose to use Stylecraft Special DK yarn. I got this on Lovecrafts. It is a DK weight yarn. That's a light #3 weight, and this is acrylic yarn. And there are a whopping 322 yards in here. It's machine washable, cool tumble dry. I used 7 colors. So my color A, or background color, is the white. It's called Hint of Silver. And then I did a rainbow of other colors. You need 6 skeins of your Hint of Silver or whatever white color you're going to use, and then just 1 of each skein for the rainbow. All the information on the colorways that I used you can find in the link below, going to the landing page for the cowl, and it gives you all the information with the specific colorways I used, yardage, etc., etc. If you don't want to use Stylecraft Special DK, that's fine. You can use whatever DK weight or even worsted weight yarn that you want. Just know that your measurements will be different, your tension might be different. Just make this blanket your own. If you want to just make your blanket up in 2 colors, that's fine. You don't have to make yours a rainbow like mine. You can use 2 colors, you can use changing color yarn, whatever you prefer. And then for the hook, I used G or 4mm hook. This is from Frills Crochet. This is their streamline metal hooks. Since I don't do their Odyssey anymore, this is my new favorite. You can shop my affiliate links below to get this, and what that means is I earn a little extra income at no extra cost for you. They are no way sponsoring this. I just like using these products, and I think you will too. I definitely believe that you can create this mosaic in a month blanket. Even if it takes you longer than a month, you can do it, and I really hope that you crochet along with us. If you are joining us, I sure hope that you follow me on Instagram, Facebook, all the places, and that you share pictures of your work on all the social medias. You can tag me at Juniper and Oakes, and then use hashtag Mosaic in a Month Cow. Please join my Facebook group, the Juniper and Oakes Crochet Community Facebook group, which I have also linked. You can share pictures there, you can ask questions, you can get color inspirations, communicate with each other. We really want this to be a crochet along where we're crocheting in community with people all around the world. Like this video if you're joining, and then comment below what colors do you think you're going to make yours in. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any sort of yarn related content that I have for you. I've got mosaic tutorials. I hope to be chatting with the designers throughout the cowl, and I got all sorts of other yarn related content. Hope you subscribe to my channel and join us. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment below or reach out to me in the Facebook group. I'd love to answer your questions. So guys, go ahead, grab your yarn, get your hook, and let's get crocheting this blanket. The fun starts on June 3rd. Or whenever you get your yarn and your hook, we'll be waiting for you. No problem. Happy crocheting!